Yes, sir, fam. What's going on? Today we're gonna take this out, I guess. Work on it a little bit. I'm gonna take it apart because so I'm gonna go all motor on this car, guys, for now at least. And I bought a couple things for obviously the all motor, so I'm gonna take some things apart. I got it to idle correctly finally. So pretty much I know that there's an adjustment on, usually like it's right here or it's on the IAC itself, but for some reason no adjustment screw at all. Like I can't find it. So what I did, I mean, I don't know if it would have went there or whatever. It's missing a screw here and here. I don't know. So what I did was I just finagled with the throttle cable a little bit, and now it's good. I'll show you guys soon that it turns on and all that. Let me just put this intake back on and plug it up. This intake is trash, by the way. And then also we're gonna install my OverFlow. So I do have some more goodies coming in. I did take off the hood, guys. I'm gonna have these PRL headers for sale. They're PRL. And then I'm gonna have the full exhaust for sale. It's nothing special. It's just the eBay exhaust. And yeah, I'm just gonna rip it apart just a hair and then see what happens from there. So fam, she idles pretty good. I had to cut the clip real quick because I forgot I had the intake off and I was running it over. But I'm not going to use that anyway. If anybody actually wants a free intake, pay shipping, let me. You can use it as a cold air as well. I don't know why they just put it like that, but yeah. Yeah, so I'm going to do my leads real quick and then I'll go ahead and screw around with this. Probably going to wash it and then store it back until I can get it right pretty much. But yeah, I'm actually pretty hyped, guys. Back in the K game. I mean, it's with an old shit box. Even though it's pretty clean, it's still considered a shit box. But it has full BWR right here. Pretty good. Guys, if you see this, it barely has like, it doesn't even have rust, to be honest. It's just things that get rusty, like that over there. The calipers, you know, hangers and stuff. I'm gonna have to take this exhaust off, but it's not bad. Give it a quick cleaning. So fam, overflow tanks are gonna go right here. I have a carbon fiber headlight air duct that's coming in, so I don't know if I gotta keep it there, maybe extend it somewhere else, because this is all clean and all that. It's tucked. I didn't even notice that, so I don't know if the brake lines go like that, but I'm assuming they're tucked. The harness is tucked, I'm assuming so, because it's right over there and down at the bottom, except for the original spot over there. Batteries in the trunk. But yeah, it's pretty clean, man. I mean, like I said, other than the regular stuff right there, it's pretty clean. You guys can take another look. Let's get into cinematic mode real quick. Damn, my shit is getting through the This is the little kit I got right here. Pretty much eBay special. Kind of matches the engine bay. If you guys see, it got sparkles on it, flakes. Looks just like it. So knock this in real quick, and then that's pretty much it for today's video. Nothing crazy. Let the build begin. Alright fam, so you see where I'm slapping it right now. It's gonna hold pretty well right here. Obviously I gotta drop it just a hair for the hood, but I'll get to that when I get to that real quick. Alright fam, for now that will work out. That's pretty much all I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna take this RBC off on my own time and then pretty much go from there, guys. I mean, I have everything ordered, so it's not gonna be nothing crazy. So we'll see when it comes, but yeah, it's gonna be pretty fire. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Before I leave though, let me just go over one thing. So I will be having a couple things for sale, guys. Obviously, this RBC is one of them. So this is going to be for sale. The blocks spacer will be for sale. This throttle body kind of looks like it sucks. So I'm not going to put that for sale. What's it called? Valve cover is going to be for sale. It is a little scratched right here, but I'm going to do a different color. This intake, anybody can take this for free. Let me know. Pay shipping, that's all. What's it called? Yeah, that's pretty much it, but we'll see where it goes from here. Pretty hyped. Definitely pretty hyped. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching once again. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.